Alright, so welcome back sa ating video lesson. So for today, nandito na tayo sa week 6. And ang lesson natin is about relationships of exterior and interior angles of a convex polygon. So last time, pinag-aralan natin yung polygon ay maaaring convex or non-convex. At magfo-focus tayo ngayon sa convex polygon. Pag-uusapan natin yung interior o yung nasa loob at exterior angles nung convex polygon. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin ay yung exterior at interior angles ng convex polygon at sum of interior and sum of exterior angles ng polygon. Now, lesson 1 muna tayo, sum of interior angles of polygon. Pag-uusapan muna natin yung interior. Now, for learning task 1, you are going to write convex if the polygon is convex, otherwise write concave or non-convex kung hindi. Okay? Susulat nyo lang kung convex. Kung ito ba ay convex, ilalagay nyo kung convex. And then, did you know that the only polygon that can never be concave is a triangle? For this part of the module, you will be exploring more about triangles. So, pag-uusapan natin more ay on triangles. Now, yung triangle daw ay yung only polygon na hindi pwedeng maging concave. Now, panoorin muna natin itong video na ito. So, dito, nasa module nyo naman ito or answer sheets, magkukuha kayo ng papel at if you like to do this, pwede nyo gawin or panoorin nyo na lang, naggupit tayo ng papel dito at magfo-form or maggupit tayo ng triangle. Okay? So yan, tiniklop lang natin para pantay yung ating two sides. So ang triangle natin ay meron 3 sides. Yan. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ay pipilasin natin yung bawat angle. Okay? Ayan. Tingnan natin yung pangalawa. And then the third angle. Next, ay pagtatabi-tabihin natin yung mga angles. So kung papansinin nyo, siya ay nakabuo ng straight angle. Hindi ba? At ang measurement ng straight angle ay ano nga? 180 degrees. Okay? So, ngayon pa lang nalaman na natin na ang sum ng measurement ng angles ng triangle ay 180 degrees. So, yung triangle natin, pag pinag-add natin to, 180 degrees. Okay? Now, great. Now, answer the following questions. What operation is involved whenever we put numbers or things together? Pag pinagsasama-sama natin ang mga bagay, anong ginagamit natin na operation? Of course, addition. Tama. Okay? Next, after putting the pieces together, what do they look like? So, sinabi ko nga kanina, nagmukha silang straight angle or parang protractor. What can you conclude about the measurement of angle 1 plus measurement of angle 2 plus measurement angle 3? So, sila ay 180 degrees pag pinag-plus lahat. Draw and cut a right triangle. Tear the angles and rearrange them as what you did in the first triangle. Is your answer in letter C the same? Explain your answer. So, hindi na natin ipapakita kapag ka naggupit tayo ng right triangle. Pagka pinagsama-sama din natin yon, or you can try din, pag pinagsama-sama natin yung measurement nun, 180 pa rin. What can you say about the sum of interior angles of a triangle? Ano masasabi ninyo? The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. In our exploration, we put the vertices of the triangles together, and the operation involved whenever we put things together is addition. After putting them together, we see that the vertices formed a semicircle. The protractor is semicircle, that is why we know that the measure of it is 180 degrees. Thus, we can conclude that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Consider each convex polygon with all possible diagonals drawn from one vertex. By doing this, you can actually form triangles within each polygon. So, una ay triangle. So, we have a triangle ABC. Now, ang sides niya ay tatlo. Side AB, side BC, and side AC. So, meron siyang isang triangle. So, the sum of the interior angles ay 180. Kasi ang isang triangle, ang sum ng interior angles ay 180. So, isa lang yung triangle niya, kaya 1 times 180, that is equal to 180. So, yun yung sum ng interior angles ng triangle, 180. Okay? Next, we have the quadrilateral. So, we have here the quadrilateral D, E, G, F. Ilan ang sides niya? There are 4 sides. Okay? Meron tayong 4 sides. Next, ilan ang triangle? 2. Pag naghati tayo dito, ito yung first triangle, ito yung second triangle. Next, what is the sum of the interior angles? So, since dalawa yung ating triangle, ito yung first triangle natin, which is 180, and yung second triangle natin, which is the sum of the interior angle is 180, ipagtatimes lang natin sa 2. Okay? Kasi dalawa yung triangle natin. 2 times 180 is 360. So, yung measurement ng angle D plus angle E plus angle G plus angle F, that is equal to 360 degrees. So, 360 degrees ang sum ng interior angles ng quadrilateral. Next is a pentagon. So, this is an example of pentagon. There are 5 sides. Okay? There are 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And then, ilan yung na-form na triangles? May na-form tayong 3 triangles. First triangle, second triangle, third triangle. So, paano natin makukuha yung sum of interior angles? Since 3 yung triangle natin, 3 times 180. And that is equal to 540 degrees. So, yung sum ng angle I, angle H, angle J, angle L, plus angle K is equal to 540 degrees. So, 540 degrees ang sum ng interior angles of a pentagon. Next, we have hexagon. So, hexagon has 4 or 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 yung sides niya. At pag naglagay tayo ng mga diagonal lines, makabuo tayo ng 4 na triangle. First triangle, second triangle, third triangle, and fourth triangles. May 4 tayong triangle. Ngayon, since may 4 tayong triangle, ang sum ng interior angle niya ay times 4. So, 4 times 180 is equal to 720 degrees. Kaya, ang sum ng interior angle ng hexagon ay 720 degrees. Next is heptagon. Heptagon has 7 sides. At makakabuo tayo ng 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. And then, ang sum ng interior angles nila ay, ano itatayo sa 180? So, 5 times 180. That is equal to 900. So, 900 ang sum ng interior angles ng heptagon. Next, octagon. 8 sides. 6 na triangle ang nabuo. 4, 5, 6. At, ang interior angle ay 6 times 180. That is 1,080 degrees. Now, kung papansinin nyo, yung number ng triangle, nagmaminus lang tayo ng 2 sa side. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Dito naman sa kabila, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Dito naman sa hexagon, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Sa pentagon, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Dito naman sa quadrilateral, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Sa triangle, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So, ganun lang para makuha yung number of triangle. Now, makakabuo tayo niyan ng formula. Okay? Okay? Yan. Polygon interior angle theorem. So, ito yung interior angle theorem. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon with n side is n minus 2 times 180. So, tatandaan nyo itong formula na to. Ang n ay kung ilan yung sides. So, for example, triangle. Para malaman natin yung kanyang sum of interior angle, ay bibilangin lang natin yung side. So, meron tayong tatlong side. 3 minus 2. Bakit 3 minus 2? Kasi kung papasinin nyo kanina nga, sinabi ko, kung gaano kadami yung triangle, nagmaminus lang tayo ng 2 doon sa sides. So, kung 3 sides, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1, times 180, that is 180 degrees. So, 180 degrees yung interior angle ng triangle. For example naman, ang ating polygon ay pentagon. So, pentagon siya. Ilang sides ang pentagon? 5 sides. So, yung n ay 5 minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180. 3 times 180 is 3 times 8 is 24. 3, 540 degrees. So, 540 degrees ang sum ng angles. Interior angles. Okay? Now, examples. Example number 1. Compute for the sum of the interior angles of a convex decagon. So, ano ba ang decagon? Ilang sides ang decagon? So, solution, a convex decagon has 10 sides. Use the polygon interior angles theorem and substitute 10 for n. So, dito yung theorem natin, n minus 2 times 180. So, yung n natin is 10. So, 10 minus 2 is 8. 180 times 8 is 1,440 degrees. And that is the answer. Okay? The sum of interior angles of a convex decagon is 1,440 degrees. Next. Number 2. Given the figure below, find the measure of C or angle C. So, itong figure natin. Okay? So, hanapin daw natin yung measurement ng C. Kung mapansin nyo, ang figure natin ay may 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Pag 5 side, siya ay pentagon. So, pentagon siya, ibig sabihin, ang para makuha natin yung sum of interior of angle is 5 minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180, and that is 540 degrees. Kaya 540 degrees yung sum ng interior. Now, pag pinag-plus-plus itong 75, 150, itong angle R, angle M, and angle C, 540 siya. So, add the measures of the interior angles and set the sum to be equal to 540. So, dito, yung angle C, ito yung nawawala. Yun yung hinahanap natin. Tapos 75, 150. Now, alam naman natin na kapag may ganitong square, that is 90 degrees. 90 degrees din to. And ito ay 540 yung sum. Okay? Now, pag pinag-plus-plus natin to, 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 150, plus 75. That is 405. Pag pinag-plus-plus natin tong lahat. Tapos, bring down yung measurement of angle C. Bring down din yung 540. And, para mawala to, isusubtract natin yung 405. Minus 405. So, cancel na to. measurement of angle C is 540 minus 405 is 135 degrees. Okay? Number 3, find the measure of an interior angle of a regular dodecagon. Ang dodecagon ay merong the sum of the measure of the interior angles of a dodecagon is 1,800. Ilan bang side ang dodecagon? Ilan kayang sides? Ang side niya ay 12 sides. So, 12 minus 2 times 180. 12 minus 2 is 10 times 180. That is 1,800 degrees. Okay? Find the measure of an interior angle ng regular dodecagon. Di ba pag regular naman, pare-pareho ng measurement ng angles. Kaya, i-divide lang natin sa 12 para malaman natin yung angle nung isang interior angle nung dodecagon. So, i-divide natin yung 1,800 divided by 12 and that is 150 degrees. Therefore, the measure of an interior angle of a regular dodecagon is 150 degrees. Okay. Number 4, if a certain polygon sum of interior angle is 2,700, how many sides does the polygon have? Dito naman ay baliktad. Kung kanina, sinasabi kung gaano kadami yung side, tapos hahanapin natin yung sum of interior angle, dito naman ay baliktad. Given na yung interior angle, kukunin natin kung gaano kadaming side yon. Okay? So, given yung 2,700 at ang ating formula ay ito. Okay? N minus 2 times 180. Hahanapin natin yung N at yung sum ng interior angle ay letter S. So, dito, susulat natin yung sum which is 2,700 degrees is equal to N minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay? Now, para matira na lang tong N, tatanggalin natin yung 180. So, we are going to divide 180 degrees. Cancel. So, 2,700 over 180 equals N minus 2. So, para makancel itong negative 2, magpa-plus 2 tayo dito, plus 2 din dito. So, 2,700 over 180 plus 2 equals N. Cancel na to. Okay? Now, para makuha to, ay i-divide natin to. 270. Mali pala tayo ulit. Ulitin natin ha. So, yung ating given na sum of the interior angle is 2,700 equals N minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay? So, 2,700 equals N minus 2 divided by 180. Cancel. Okay? And then, i-divide naman natin to. So, cancel natin ang dalawang 0. 270 divide 18. This is 1, 18, 90. This is 5. So, 15 equals N minus 2. Para mawala yung negative 2, plus 2 tayo, plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17 equals, cancel na to, N. So, N is equal to 17. So, therefore, 17 sides yung polygon. Okay? Next. Learning task 2. You are just going to compute the sum of the interior angles of the following polygon. Undecagon, 17 gon. So, pag undecagon, ilang sides? For example, ay gagamitin natin yung formula na ito para makuha natin yung sum of the interior angles. Next, compute for the number of side. So, para makompute yung number of side, N equals hindi. Ito pa rin yung gagamitin na S equals N minus 2 times 180. Katulad ng example sa number 4. And then compute for x. So ito yung 42 degrees, 140 degrees, 101 degrees. Hahanapin ito. So since ito ay quadrilateral, ima-minus mo lang yung sum of the interior angles minus dito sa sum nitong tatlo. Sa regular decagon naman, ang regular decagon ay merong 10 sides. So, kukunin mo muna yung sum of the interior angle and then i-divide mo sa 10 para makuha yung x. Now, dito naman sa lesson 2, sum naman ng exterior angles of a polygon. So, kanina yung interior, ngayon naman ay exterior. The focus of the first lesson is the interior. Ngayon naman ay sa exterior angles. If you extend the sides of any polygon, you can form angles outside the polygon and that is what we call exterior angles. So ito, ang tawag doon. Kaya nga sinabi exterior nasa labas. Di ba ang interior itong mga nasa loob? Dito naman yung nasa labas. Okay? Now, angles 1, 2, 3, and 3 are exterior angles of the triangle. The sum of the exterior angles does not depend on the number of sides of the polygon. Unlike the sum of the interior angles of a convex polygon, it will always be 360 degrees. So, ang sum ng exterior angle ay palaging 360, hindi nagbabago. Di katulad ng interior angles, pwedeng 180, pwedeng 360, pwedeng 720. Pero dito, pagka exterior angle, palaging 360 degrees. Kaya mas madali siyang computin. Polygon exterior angle theorem. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a convex polygon, one angle at each vertex is 360 degrees. So, pag pinag-plus-plus yung mga angle na yun, that is 360 degrees. Examples. Example number 1. Given the figure below, find the value of x. So, dito ang figure natin, meron tayong angle na exterior. 120, 80, at x. So, sabi dito, ang measurement daw na pag pinag-plus-plus ito ay 360 degrees ayon sa Polygon Exterior Angles Theorem. So, dito, naglagay tayo ng x plus 80 plus 120 equals to 360. So, ano i-add natin sa 80 at plus 120 para maging 360? Okay? So, dito ay i-add muna natin tong 80 plus 120 which is 200. Tapos, para mawala tong 200, minus 200 tayo. And that is equal to, okay, erase lang natin. 200, cancel na siya. 360 minus 200 is 160. So, 160 degrees ang value ng x. Okay, next. Given the figure below, find the value of x. So, dito, meron tayong 95, 52, 83, and 60. Hanapin natin yung x. Ganun pa rin gagawin natin. X plus 60 plus 95 plus 83 plus 52 equals 360. Palaging 360 ang total. So, i-add lang natin to. X plus 60 plus 95 plus 83 plus 52, that is 290. Magmaminus tayo ng 290 both side. Cancel na ito. 360 minus 290, x is equal to 70 degrees. So, the value of x is 70 degrees. A convex heptagon has exterior angles with measures 30 degrees, 33 degrees, 45 degrees, 54 degrees, 67 degrees, and 79 degrees. What is the measure of an exterior angle at the 7 vertex? So, ganun pa rin. So, heptagon siya. Ang given ay 3 or 6 na measurement ng exterior, hanapin natin yung ikapito. So, yung 7th ay x. X plus 30, plus 33, plus 45, plus 54, plus 67, plus 79 ay 360. So, pag pinag-add natin ito, that is 308. Minus 308, cancel. 360 minus 308 is 52. So, x is equal to 52 degrees. Number 4. Find the measure of one of the exterior angles of a regular decagon, Dodecagon. So, since the sum of the interior angles is always 360, at the given polygon, and the given polygon is regular polygon, we simply divide 360 by the number of the side. So, yung regular dodecagon ay may 12 side. Okay? So since 360, yung laging sum divided by 12, yung side ng dodecagon, 360 divided by 12 is 30 degrees. So, the one exterior angle of a regular dodecagon measures 30 degrees. So, for your learning task 3, hanapin nyo yung value ng x. Value ng x. Okay? Dito. Alright? For learning task 4, you are going to fill in the blank to make each statement true. And that's it for our 6th week. I hope that you learned something. Good luck and keep safe always.